Chucky's got something special just for you. Let's give him a big round of applause.
Boys and girls, we have two very special stars with us here today. We have Kylie celebrating her 4th birthday, and Freddie celebrating his 4th birthday. Let's give a big round of applause to our birthday stars. On behalf of myself, Chuck E. Cheese, and everyone here at Chuck E. Cheese's, we would like to wish Kylie and Freddie a very happy birthday.
Don't put your kids aside, don't let them see my birthday now, okay? You guys ready to say happy birthday? Yeah! Let's sing happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from Chucky. Happy birthday to you. Take a deep breath. And go, buddy. Go now. Birthday's born, Chuck E. Cheese. Special guest, we only need Go hard, baby. Please say happy when you say birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.